A wire binds four identical posts together as shown below. Each post has a 3-inch radius. What is the length to the nearest inch of the shortest wire that will go around the four posts without overlap? So you will need to know your arc length formula to do this easily. And that is n over 360 times the circumference formula, which is 2 pi r. So all you're doing is finding the circumference of the entire circle and then finding what percentage of the circle that we're dealing with, which would be the length of that arc. And if you don't have this formula down, this is a good time to go ahead and add it to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. So with that in mind, now when you're dealing with a radii, you need to know that often you're going to need to turn that radius until it serves your purpose. And in this scenario, we need to figure out what the distance from where the wire lets off of the circle to the next wire will start touching the circle. And thankfully, we can know, since the radius is 3 on both sides, that distance as a whole is going to be 6. So that's going to be that same distance all the way around. And so we already know that we have 24 inches of wire for that part. So we could already eliminate some of these answers, like answer F at that point. However, now we just need to find what this arc length is from where the wire starts touching to where it releases. And so we know that the radius is 3. So we know that 6 pi is going to be the circumference of the entire circle. And we just need to find 1/4 of that since it's a 90-degree area there. But you can just look at it and know that it is going to be 1/4 of the circle. So we can just divide it by 4. And therefore, we only have 3 pi over 2 is going to be the distance there. So that's going to be on there 4 times. So we can multiply this by 4, which would get us 12 pi over 2, which is going to be 6 pi. So we have 6 pi plus 24. And we're going to go ahead and just multiply 6 times pi to see, we just multiply by 3.14 as well, and then plus 24. So that gets us 42.84, which is right about 43, which is answer J.